GPUs, or graphic processing units, are designed for parallel processing and are used in a wide range of applications including video rendering, AI and gaming. They have quickly become one of the most important types of computer technology. Cloudia are going to be releasing their own GPU exchange where you'll be able to host and rent GPUs, as well as stake their native token to earn dividends from 50% of the profits made by the exchange, as well as APY on top of that. So stay tuned for the rest of the video to learn more. So let's talk a bit about some of the key features about the exchange and the native token. So as you can see here, Cloudia Exchange will be based on the blockchain compared to other GPU host sites. They will deal with crypto-only payments, and you will be able to rent your GPU and also rent computer power there as well. Now Cloudia will have a staking platform for their native token, like I was explaining earlier, and also 50% of the profits made by the exchange will be paid out as dividends to everybody that is staking on the platform, and you will also receive discounts for renting too. So let's take a look at some more GPU cloud use cases. I mentioned earlier that they can be used for video rendering, AI and gaming, but they do also have a few different use cases you can see here in medical science and simulations, crypto mining, as well as a bunch of others. Cloudia have tried to demonstrate here with this diagram exactly how it works if you want to host a GPU or rent a GPU. As you can see here, the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure you have an account registered on the Cloudia Exchange. And once that's set up, you will be able to go into the marketplace and connect your wallet. And then the step number 3, you just need to set up your GPU in the marketplace and connect to Cloudia. Now, if you want to rent a GPU, the first step is the same. You need to make sure that you have an account on the exchange. Then you need to go to the marketplace and select one of the GPUs hosted on the marketplace that you want to rent. And step 3, once it's renting, you need to make sure you connect to that GPU. So moving on. Cloudia have highlighted a few reasons why to choose them over somebody else. The main problems being that the graphic cards are expensive, the need for physical storage, and the high cost of the energy. But by using the Cloudia Exchange, you have no need of owning the GPU, and it comes at a much lower cost and flexibility of usage. So these charts show the tokenomics of the coin and where the token is going to be distributed. As you can see here, the tax on the buys and sells are going to be at 7.5, and you can see how they're going to be split up. So 70% of that is going towards the marketing and development, 10% of that is going to the staking, 10% is going to the liquidity, and 10% is going to the burn. Let's check out the roadmap to see what these guys have done so far and what they've got coming up in the near future. So far these guys have got the website sorted, which is what we're looking at right now. The contract is complete, so the smart contract is working as these guys wanted. They have started the marketing phase 1 and the private sale has finished. So what to expect in the near future will be their pre-sale, which you're going to be able to find a link if you go over to their Telegram channel. And then obviously they're going to have the token launch, and they're going to make sure that they've got some listings coming up on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and a few other places as well. I do know that these guys have some centralized exchange listings confirmed as well, so you have those to look forward to at launch. So let's move on to the pricing now. So you can see here Cloudia compared to some other competitors, Fluidstack and Lambda. The products Cloudia are going to offer, and then the price compared to their competitors is obviously much less. $9 compared to $1.61 per hour. That's a saving of 400 to 555%. So if renting or hosting GPUs is something that interests you, or maybe you just might be interested in the staking feature that these guys are going to offer, I'll be sticking all the links to this project in the description of the video so you can go check it out for yourself. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to make sure that you don't miss out on any upcoming DeFi projects. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for listening as always, and until next time. Bye.